Kegima omwancho muligeria begetaseni genso kono gosemeria kwananga kwa bere kogotwara obuligeria borobia kegima nabo igokwego keria emeroberio a imegetaseni keiga gacharagire chinse sato chia bono mugorobe sinerobire boikiranu kwane kimnango koletranda mngana majya na bere kagwate kakorwa chinsemo Mwanchu muri inyora yonsi na boko ya bwate wetera sensemo ye mitandao yekerero nsemo ya Facebook na boigo YouTube wetera ensoko TV letere nenkeru bo Frida na bali toko bwatera na soko eneke mna chibicha niliogi dagukira sole asenchre ya benenere Brian Achaka Toldi director Zack Joshua Nyauma na boigo Felistas Kabendi toskato nyegara tangu tranyara mangana maja asenchra yoko ya chuta.
So sisi maofisa wa polisi wali suspect kuwa yule mama anaweza kuwa alipata kuawa na mwili yake kuzikwa mahali pale.
Omubere bw'omongina zipora gutinde kurwana abo bisa emagoroba ya lero.
You should not take alcohol while driving.
Ekiombegya NTSA kuroba semigoro yogotanga imibasokano y'ekibara.
Tuatemire asitokonyara lakini bono goikabona togokwana igo epiriere nyagitari igere igoro mono
amateyemo kugania gusirwa elio komoenia omwanchwa obo.
Manchu muligere karansa oike tosanga sobwamo gochaka bono iga goika omoelio gwechaka amaya yebire bigani gotoko yachaka norobotiro gwichania sengo kumenyubuna omoelio ye nigo mubere bw'omong'ina Zipora Omari oyo kageire goitwa na gotinde kwa ensemo yage komu Cathedral Mwembe County ya Kisii otindo korwa emagoroba ya lero nabo bisaba homicide osanga igoro yege korekyo nigo mo OCPD wegetaseni gya Kisii Central Musa Imamai oyo yanekire buna omukagerwa yomo nigabe kirubyara nigo Imamai abolirie abana inchini amateanya gusira ko babatoereru hekero botukiye bogenderete gokorekana eri kumanya ikikirerete ayo gokorekana muri keito Petro Machini na bakagwikira na stinsemecho no begotorganiria yakobwatia
Magega yomobere womuswatyo yomo oyo manyakaina mnazi Zipora Omari gotoka chinsemo cha Cathedral gatendikira shinjira chubututukano aburi kurigoro Nigori tukurerero omobero yo onyara kubagogo tindokorwa asensemeyo.
Tulipata ripoti ya mama moja ambaye anaishi katika kijiji cha Bosongo ambaye alikuwa amepotea katika kwa boma yake. So tulipopata hiyo habari sisi maafisa wa polisi na raia wale majirani ambao walikuwa hapo walitoka wakaanza kumtafuta mahali ambapo alikuwa anaishi na mume wake, na katika ile hali ya kutafuta na kuangalia walipata katika sehemu ya shamba
nikigokorikyo no mo OCPD wegetaseni ya Kisii Central Musa Imamai oyo erere igoro yegekorikyo
na hakika hivi sasa vile ninavyozungumza tumepata kufufua mwili ambayo kulingana na uchunguzi wetu wa mwanzo inaonyesha kwamba inaweza kuwa ni mwili ya yule mama ambaye aliripotiwa kupotea. Kupitia uchunguzi wetu na ripoti ya daktari ambaye ataangalia ile mwili pale kwa hospitali tutapata kuthibitisha kama kwa kweli ni mwili wake, na tukithibitisha pia katika uchunguzi wetu tutachunguza kujua ni katika hali gani ambapo yeye alizikwa pale, kama aliwawa. Yote hayo tutakuja kuyapata katika uchunguzi wetu ambayo tunafanya kwa kini.
Ukwanekerekyo nigo abekireteneni mokagiro yomo nigabekiru biara orajigo konya igoro yobotukyo bwo.
Hivi sasa ningependa kusema ya kwamba wananchi najua wanasikia uchungu, raia wa karibu, majirani najua wanasikia uchungu kwa kumpoteza yule mpenzi wao lakini tunataka kuhakikishia kwamba tutatenda haki katika uchunguzi wetu kupata kisa cha haki.
Go imamai aburia wananchi ni amati ya gusira kwa baba tweru ekirobo tukibogendrete elio komanya ekikireta yo.
Kwa hivi sasa vile ninavyozungumza tuko na mshukiwa ambayo tuko naye, na katika uchunguzi wetu tutajua kama alihusika katika maafa ya huyo mama ambaye mwili yake tumechimbua sasa hivi.
Nanyana bo mapema harit kuria rero nige amati ya gusira yaganyo kwanguyo gutindo korwa omwanchobo na bigo obwene bo mwanchobo kubwatiwa.
Sisi tulikuwa tunaomba juu mwenye amemua ako na ako na watoto, huyu mwenye amekufa, serikali tusaidie tupate haki ya huyu marehemu, haki iende kwa watoto wake. Hilo tu, kwa sababu bwanake alikufa kitambo sana, akamwachia watoto, akamwachia nyumba ambazo alikuwa ndani na collect, analetea mwanaume anamlisha hizo nyumba through hizo nyumba.
Sema serikali tusaidie. Tujue vile mama ameuawa. Kwa kupenda kwenu. Tusaidiane, serikali waingie ndani, hata waheshimiwa wetu waingie ndani, watusaidie tujue mahali mama ameuawa.
Nenge korwa cyo gwicana muno ikyanya kubage kweneke gwa korwa buri kuri igoro asibono serikali na bigo ebyombe byoburende banyako bagwisokia na kurusia omubere bomusubati oyomo oyokagire gwitwa na gutinde kwa achinsemo chegekomo bono nigo serikali yanya kubage kuruko bode gotia sabantu kwa baba tweru ekero omukagiro yomo abekiru biara ekero obochuki bogenderete kurpoteria Ensoko TV kuruga ekenyero kyegekomo county ya Kisii tinigongoro Petuel Machin.
Kutigana nayo amate mukuru ase kinyorokia Lionchiaku ebunge ya Bomachoge Borobe County ya Kisii nigo yasabira obukonyi bwa bene ilio komoenia omwana obaserita Brian Moses Maegayo gotangwa ne bilere nene ase nyagitari ase bono basabire gokonya gwakana ebili eyo ere chiribu chimenye buna gutumanya omurikeito Dominic Onderi.
Amatemo kurwe kinyorukia Lionchiaku ime ward ya Bochibarwe bunge ya Machoge Borobe County ya Kisii yasabira bokonyi bwa bene eri komweni omwanchi obo mwana Brian Moses oyo rwara aseka ke wike ya mwana gosire bo mabwaye asebone ebirire chiribu chiminye kubwatikana no gutanyara kuri asenke yeiga igo ya mate yaicanira soko motiri omwanchi obo we myaka 20
Intoni mbwata bokong oroyo mwana babona chakete kurwara rarwarire ngaki entambe paka na irwe transfer chinyakitari angesato bona akolire tokwenda Metfort nakagete ngobo kimabwani mokonyere Metfort lakini bwasinyire bona nararete endokere igoro ne piri nari gosaba bokonya asemori
kini yabeire gasienko nigo yabeire gasienko ngwase ngencho twoncho kana ndi chinyakitari bere isato kokonyo bogima bw'umwana Brian twatemire asitokonyara lakini bono goikabuna togukwana iga epiriere nyagitari igere igoro mono habwa asitwoncho rikuri yabaire n'abasani twanyorire nga okonyora gwaito kwabeire nse
ngeye monyero jona mwekire iga mwarore na asengeye mwarore babakongu bororo na hende buna bono goikira jinga kibune chiga epiriere nyagitari igere nene ine 55 na ntogendere tande karare mojeri na hende bidi negendere kura komenta umwana yakora tu barese ni marakabere chibasa chikagara chikamenta umwana yabekere tu moika
akena tsire nko basaba bakonye mokonye nyare ko baginkurisi umwana ne mojeri
amate yasabira abairi mona babwatani abo gwanchukuya wabwatese gukora ebire rikomwa umwana obo ogotumoka okuya
abamate baminto mwiri onde byansi oranyare kurwa bakonyi gakigo chasi tore se familia yega yeito una yanyore to enyore to bakongtata bwa iganyare ko bagotokonya erinde tonyare ko batukurusia omwana ori mochari ase engencho ye piriere igoro tonyare ko batoko mweni
banyabiasara bande bonse pota ende yonse gaki basoyo ko bakomubuko batokonye umusigo oyo endugo yane yanyorire igoro monene nande gotoro obwomu obone naso enkeye gaki
abarai akoro isikona mono bali kora sorogongoro iga nigo basabire goika amate yange eliokonye gwikirania magani yabo yokomwenia omwana obo na mono ko bakonya gwetera sena mbeye iga
kwanira abajumbe baito aba MCA baito nonyanga abana baito no mugumenelebu tonya toto yo minto mwamba mu MCA obatia barongo ase bakoigwirio kibuneri ariko amoko igwa kera tora kogani moje motokonye na intu turuse mwana onye
tobo konyi kiana rwanere mu chukuru yone chinjire chonspi bakonyori bonta tobo konyi asaba minto mu SP abagambi na abande bajumbe motokonye tumurushi moje lise pirire gitumono
kubwatikana utanya kora senke ne abantu bonse bugwanchuke banyako bagusabanya ko bakonye amatega inyako bekomurusyo mwancho ba senke no komureta senka yabo banyako bakomukoresa bali ayo mwali rwesane kya chinkoro cyabo kuripoti senke yo nambe mugiye nsoko tivuge kenyo kyariyo nchyo kyotoka gaigase ward yabo chibungi ya Machagorwe county ya Kisii Lieutenant Dominic Onderi Nyabuto
Abasemiani go bwarurgo cya saboro kiwa KMTC orosaya rwa Kisii goroye chinjira chingia cyo gwetanga nemebasokano yepara abasemi ubu nigo bwarurwa n'icyombi ya NTSA Nyanza inseyo borayi bwayo mu bisabwe cyombe cyo Adhan kuno unencereyemo yo kuyarigania gocengera litukolyo ko banyora abasiretiye obugima wetera emebasokano y'ekipara ensengima moyogoyo nigo rachiye gokorekana litukori ya Jumapili eikeye gavana gutumanya Wycliffe Orenge
buna enjera yemo yo kuyareganya go chikolicengera litukulyo gwetangana mibasokano yebara nabako kubanyura bali basirire ubugima bwabo gwetera ase mibasokano yebara bono nige kyombe kya NTSA inseyo burayi bwaye omo busomo nene asorosheger wa Kisii adanado bayana ni robo semia gochia asaboro kiwa ba KMTC ya Kisii.
Today we are here at KMTC Kisii campus following an invitation by the school by the campus principal just to have an interaction on the matters of road safety with the students, because everybody is a road user and this information we need all of us so that we can reduce these injuries and fatalities as a result of road crashes. Because statistics shows us by NTSA the year 2024 we have already lost 4,748 Kenyans on our roads courtesy of road crashes, and road safety is a shared responsibility. Especially our students are in the category of vulnerable road users, especially the pedestrians, and also the mode of transport most of the time is boda boda. So we are having some interaction on this, their experience, so that at least they can have responsibility beginning with their lives. Because life does not have a reset button, and we need to have always precaution as we use our roads, because these roads belongs to all of us.
Bago kuwa na Nensoko TV magega yo basemi obwo nigabora kuwa bwa KMTC bago kero basemi obwo na gotababuna ningo banyoli gwe chinchira chingia cyo gwe kibara kwa basemi basakano bunaba eti.
I'm very grateful for NTSA people for visiting us. Today I've learned to observe road safety. I used to wear earphones, but now I've learned that I'll be very careful to prevent accidents in future.
For now, I've learned how to consider left and right before crossing the road.
Drivers, like, you should not take alcohol while driving, because it might cause accident. You should not overspeed as a driver.
Onye nabo ni go motereneri bwe skuru yo ayana kirebuna obasemi obuno bwengencho gotia sabara kigwa ekiagera nabarabwo otumeka bali kibara.
I'm very pleased to have you as guests in our campus. What you have come to do is very important because our students need road safety, and what they have been taught, I believe we'll be able to assist them so that when they are crossing even the roads, we will not be having cases of many accidents. So thank you for the information, and we invite you to come because we will be having other trainings. We'll be training other people, even border borders, on the issues of road safety and aid.
Adan niga singerere buna ekyombe kya NTSA gecheko gendera okoro bonyabi asa kipara rokwene kebuna chigale chiria chitaikerane tyebirango byokobera para ekiri gotoga bara naboigo abagende bechigale gutanga kurwa sobotindu.
We always have a shared responsibility with other government agencies. For instance, the enforcement of the law is a reserve for the National Police Service. We always plan these joint operations just to ensure that we crack on these unauthorized or non-roadworthy vehicles on our roads. Nevertheless, we also talk through the sensitizations that we have spoken, and also this is an agenda of the government. But nevertheless, it is your personal responsibility to ensure that we always take these vehicles too, because the information is already out there, private and the citizens and also the MDAs, to ensure that we pool our resources, to ensure we make sure that we use vehicles that are fit for purpose.
Inko reporter ya Ensoko TV kurwagaiga asamaga chake MTCA orosagerwa Kisii county ya Kisii reteriane Wycliffe Orenge.
Ekiombe kiobagendia NTSA bitabo by'obulinzi bwa para nabayigo county ya Nyamira amo n'omurayo bodaboda Association Riders nigo baikirana asege karo kya Nyamira North Sub County bodaboda megetigia ekerenyo ebunge ya North Mugrango county yo aiga kobomo nigo bagikiria bokongu gotumikwa kwegati ya barundi ya chipigipigi ase ogosomba echanga nabayigo gwikirania bikore by'oboibi aukwana ekerekia barundi abo ba bodaboda nigo baboliwe ni county ya Nyamira kweneke mnangwa kana bale ebango eliokoa county enibo yokuikirania amagendero Nyamira kolengana na NTSA abarundi bodaboda eribwe yemo emie yemo 50 noyomo ni 5 noyomo nigo basiritie obugima aso mwaka wikiri bubere 2024 ase ekure yabekirwe babe maiso chingaki bale para mulikito Steven Nyarike Mbunde no roboti ro
nasegeti yekerenyo ebunge ya North Mugrango ya Nyamira asomoyega abo koigora Nyamira North Sub County bodaboda CPO asomoyega ikiranetwe no mowaziri bwobonjorere Nyamira Bernard Maina ebitabo byoborendi Nyamira ekiombe yokorigereria obogendia NTSA amono murayo bodaboda Nyamira inzea bodaboda Association of Dominic Babu aiganigo gosaba kwa bekirwa abarundi ba bodaboda bonsi korwe bango lyoko county kwikirania magendero bene
amangana yose gerakoleke tafadhali bemutu ase okurwe bango egere na lituranyore kibesa tubabekere kisheti tonyore kibesa tubaroiseri kipara nonyene kare kwa umiri okugenda nyagetari onyore ibyobo bodaboda para na tobe kama nyagetari kako genda gari nyagetari tutatenguna batalonga mariota nyagetari tutagete ko contribute to the growth of the economy ya Nyamira asibwetera kuwebango
moye bitabo yo Burundi nigo byagenderere kobori wanga nere bya barundi bonsi bigipigi kwetwa Burundi abayigo insurance chobogendia.
Nikipenda kusema kitu ya kwanza ya muhimu sana nyinyi watu wa bodaboda waje kuwa Mr. Right kwa barabara. Ile kitu ningependa kuwahimiza nyinyi, sababu watu wengi wanatoroka wakifanya accident. Kitu ya kwanza uko na driving license. Ya pili ukuwe na insurance. Hiyo insurance najua hiyo ndio kitu inafanya unatoroka ama unatorosha pikipiki. Na labda wewe uko right, umekosewa na mtu ya gari ama umekosewa na mtu ya lori, na wewe unatoroka badala uko
korengana nekiombe kia NTSA niga barundi ya chipigi heriwe yamone emiyemo babeire bagosiria magimabo asomwa kwetete gento kiabere yokogosererio konene.
Mwaka uliopita tumeweza kupoteza Wakenya 4748 na kati ya hao watu 1166 ni wanabodaboda. Na kuna wale tunawaita vulnerable road users ama wale wanakuwa katika hatari zaidi, wakiwemo wanabodaboda, abiria zao na wale wanatembea kwa miguu na wale watu wa kuendesha baiskeli.
Ekurenti ndi nigekereke kyo ya bwatu kirugo cha barundia abo babeire bagotumeka bobe asoboke bawo no boibi nga nigo babekirira tiri na niga matuka bara bamenge mono
ya kuwa tusaidiane kwa mambo ya usalama. Chairman mwenyewe alizungumzia akisema ya kuwa kuna baadhi ya wanabodaboda wanatumika kusafirisha chang'aa, na hii ni jambo tumeshuhudia. Nafikiri last week Madam Sub-County Police Commander kule chini Kekongo, jamaa amekuja mbio, amebeba mtungi imewekwa kwa gunia, Sasa mimi naomba tushirikiane, mambo kama haya isiwe.
Kadi mnisamee, tutasaidiana na DCC katika hii. Kuna watu wetu wa bodaboda wanabeba chang'aa, ni ukweli? Tutampatia taarifa. Kuna watu wetu wanatumika kuiba stima, hiyo ndio changamoto. Hapa bodaboda wetu wanatembea usiku kuja. Finally, kuna zile pigipigi hazina number plate, Madam Sub County Commander, hiyo nao anza kushika mara moja. Hakuna pigipigi inaruhusiwa kuja kwa barabara bila number plate.
Steven Nyarikie Monde, Soko TV North Mugrango, county ya Nyamira.
Habarahi bechikanisa chia AIC kura sorogongo rwagusi bakoragwa na Pastor Paul Ochola na boigo James Monyenye nigo basabire abayiboli babe maiso chingakie chicherusa entambe babo bakubaika ange abana babo na kumanya ningi bagokora aso mutandao kero bagutumika chisimi chiabo magaye bikore bibe kororokana na boigo gutara ase emitanda iyo nigo bayakwa naya ekero kyumuyiga bogosio ya amatera abo ase kanisa ya AIC Milimani Kisi abo aseboigo bamurikeire ose baba bagosiori omuroberi bw'abasubati korwa ase kanisa iyo umanyikanite buna Society Day ase bara bakuyotumika litukeli ko bakonya balia batali kwenyara na bali babwate emichando ase chinga cyabo munenjere ya moyo ko bakonya kwegenderia aso bugima bwabo.
Yesu shirikishagwa na vigelegele. Sema amen. Katika wakati huu tunaelewa kwamba tuko likizo ndefu ambayo itachukua 2 months. My plea as a clergy, my plea as a pastor ni kwamba wazazi wajumuike, wazazi wajibike kwa kuweka watoto katika hali ambapo hawataenda kinyume wakati wa likizo ndefu. We look forward to parents getting involved with the children, wasiache watoto wakizurazura mtaani wakati wa likizo hii ndefu ya Krismasi. Wale ambao wanafanya piracy ni hatari kwa sababu inaharibu ile dhamana ya wimbo ama inaharibia yule ambaye amefunga nyimbo biashara. May we ask God to help us so that we change and we stop the challenge of piracy that is making the music to grow.
An empowered life, an empowered family, an empowered Christian is an empowered church. Hiyo inatusaidia kwamba tuweze kuwafanya watu kujitegemea. Na katika hali yetu ya makanisa ya Mungu kujitegemea inaenda katika mambo ya maushirika manyumbani. Mtu anapopatikana kwamba ako na changamoto za kifedha, wanao nafasi nzuri ya kuweza kukuja pamoja na kumuinua. Kama ni biashara wanamuinua. Katika makanisa yetu inakuwa nafasi nzuri, tuko na nafasi ya kuweza kuwafikia wale wasiojiweza kwa wakati mmoja ama mwingine, ili tukaweze kuwainua katika hali yao ya kifedha. Nayo inakuja siku ya wamama wamebuni, inaitwa siku ya society ambao tunafanya mara moja kwa mwaka.
Mate ya Marita Kirubo Joshua korase kinyoro kia Nyang'ori meya wadi ya Nyamayi bunge ya West Mugrango county ya Nyamira uyore n'abana batano noyo mwase boigo kwenye bamenyete ase nyumba ya mabati atano mega y'umugakoye kubatama ase miaka etatobono ekero bugima bwakongete ni umusamarium ya Samarita Richard Monyancha abeteka wesoke bene na boigo kubagachira enyumba ili bati asekurende bono atabwati eki bakuria marito yure ni miaka 25 nebere nigaeretenga ubutako bonene agwetera asebatabwati urare ndagira nyumba yake bara asabire gakugenda chikonda echishitarigo isana gutunda nigo bono asabire abasamaria boigo bumoyo bugwancha koba endagira mone bintu bya nyumba eli kwegendereria.
Tanguruku umongino yo Joshua Matunda no muone abana mbwate sita Marta Kerubo Joshua nasabale menyete asokwerigeria ibarua mugakera Tanguruku umongino yo Joshua Matunda no muone abana mbwate sita Marta Kerubo Joshua abana stabale menyete asokwerigeria ibarua mugakera tayo mugakora chirangi myaka 3 ninche ngurigeria abana kiregento nyomba nere na benga na mninga na igo no tamenyete na abana abo oyo matigirite form 1 oyo nde mbona ari kireti 9 oyo kabere no yo nde 7 yale na omoke mono na 5 bali bonsi babira umumura ni nyaruka
umusubati oyo nona abana bagosomera obokongo umugako yeka tukurigera ribuno twagachete kuri mabyata iyo na maene kinyore kine ora achira matuka atari make ukorire gwetani omwaka emyaka 3 bana achira ata iyo gaiga musubati nere bikora iga nabana enyomba bwagacheirwe nere gendrete kwagachirwa umurayo chira igo muya yokorokwa Richard Munyanja umubekeire nyomba twararire ngambi ya mono nyomba mwaya bwe karato ko litoro cyo none getanda nkeyo korange timbo iyo ndagira te abana bakori yako no goyeta imigondo gukora chikondo kuri oje karako nyora 150 asiri tukogende ngeyo kogora ngeisa ina abana baranya
asamarete ngro Christine murugyo Munyanja pono yakoba mno mungina being a mother and a wife kera na oshipte chenyombe ye nabona ichante sana so name krere effort twaria mabati torete toshege kana so nyumba gabu rangana marika kurwa maisana because ya bwata abana na nabato mwana gabu ino mushando the still so first of all they need kwanza civic education na no nyumba yake baramba bwati so na mabera so tware kuungana twensipi we all well wishers tubwata negaki no ni Santa Towels mbabwati actually it's really hard ono twarko saba abraivonsi pi from anywhere from any corner taringa Nyamira yoka patokonye tubwaterane at least mushe yokoreki oshigoro no eno bore mbokortiki mboyo
Richard Munyanja tore nyangori mbonye wa metore nyangori naende moma etenenga kie campaign tore nanje kinalenge gweta se campaign kaikanga nyore situation ya erasaya ngate abanga egotogote nikiregento mpaka tore na umongino yo onyore nyomba sakobera kiagera ntomyoka stoko munyagochia onye toko nyore sida ya ase nande ndoko lige solution lende mbugambikyo botoko lige onye ntobwati chibu ndime chandele bantu bitwa wate nakikia ngusire na ate balero njene timu ya ne 20 speed togo jaga kolumambia amoroje nyomba ntogende abande ngoma bara mabati ngobe kwale igoro paimambia tonyoro nyore nyomba sawa correct asakorara
Umuseneta wa kaunti ya Kisii Richard Mumuima Onyonka nigakwanira obokoreri ase chinyagitari maiga ya komiti yobochenu ya Senate gokora etaro gochia ase chinsemo okwana bosio bwe Senate nigo nikiribuna nige etaro yabo yarentre amoncherio asogokinia ebirengo byobochenu nanya nabo nigaburire abaseneta goikirana ase binyoro eleko nekebuna ebirengo byobochenu ngukina bire ase chinyagitari.
I was in Kiambu County yesterday, and we have visited several counties like my colleagues have said. Mr. Speaker, the situation is not helpless. I was actually surprised that when we visited Kiambu County, even when we found the challenges and the mess that was at the referral hospital, where the kitchen doesn't even have equipment and machinery, the ceilings are collapsing. Mr. Speaker, I was shocked that patients in Kiambu Hospital have never eaten meat. Patients are never given an egg, or do we have sugar? I mean, it was really a very, very painful scenario. Even though that was the case, Mr. Speaker, there was also very good information from Kiambu County Health Services. Why? Because they have done 24 level 3 and level 4 hospitals, which are all brand new. We visited those facilities, and Mr. Speaker, they were quite impressive. The governor has officers, some of them who have worked very well, but some of them have been a problem. Some of them have gone and opened hospitals, their own personal hospitals in Ruiru and in Thika. Some of the medicines are found there, and I want to mention to this, Mr. Speaker, I have a very special request to make to my colleagues. We need to get out of this building and go to the counties, Mr. Speaker. Every single place we have visited, we have seen that there were changes.
Tingaki echo boigoni gomo seneta bwe county ya Nyamira Okongo Mugeni akikiria umurubirio osha nechinjera okuro bokoleri ase abananchi okwananigo agania umurubirio bosiro bogwenya obwikirano nigane kebna bakenya bangi nigo bagutumika enibo konyoro bokoleri ase agania amonchirio okorekana.
Sure. Is supposed to meet the medical needs of Kenyans. When I go to a hospital with a SHA card, what I expect as a speaker is that my medical expenses will be met by the SHA card, Mr. Speaker. So if I go to hospital and if you calculate 1.34, that's about 10%. You cannot pay 10% of my bill and then you cheat us that SHA is not working. That's the point I'm making. Expert treatment. And Mr. Speaker, when some of us come to this house and say that SHA is not working, it's because of the personal experiences we have gone through. Mr. Speaker, we incurred a bill at Nairobi Hospital of 1.34 million. And the only portion that SHA paid was 218,000, Mr. Speaker. So how can we tell Kenyans that SHA is working? I mean, let's be serious. Let's be serious, Senator. Let's be serious. Most of Mr. Speaker, when we get sick, we go and flash our medical cards. We have all those benefits. But the poor of the poorest in this country, Mr. Speaker, don't get any assistance from this thing you call SHA, Mr. Speaker. So let's call a spade, Mr. Speaker. Because we are leading comfortable lives, because we have this good medical cover, Mr. Speaker.
Chisemi chobo bundi asama tuko abono igani go chabire chingi nchomono anene aseke goli kelia kegukina bono asibali banyolire chisemi chobo bundi naende bachikoleire emirimo nigo bakonyora ebitoki ebyagerire bakogendera asubugima Denis Omwenga obangi no morosia na boigomoni bintu korwa bichibao asomo chogisima nigachagitega siyiga yamboko korwa somwaka bwechiri bubere na 15 ase ekiolele kiabo nigo bachagete bali chibundi isano kurwabo bakamenta goika chibundi gwetania emerongebera ase bintu bire barosire nigo bakorigie chiro gwetera se chinchira cyo boerane bwa mangana gusase nchira yekerero online weterabo niga goteba bantu nigo bakora chingongo cha Kenya nabo homokyoye habwate nigo agusita abasai banyora bundi chiskuru nende babwatanie ase chigase chichobo bundi elio begendralie
about from furnitures bokorotore 90 designing bokorotore tiling gypsum ceiling wiring window bends wardrobes kitchen cabinets wall units everything is a matter of time. You try, you fail one, the other time you succeed, so you keep on trying. We are hoping of big things, because when we started this workshop, it was a workshop by Kayo. So we expect more from God. We are just keeping chasing the achievement. Okay, the town go to our challenges. The best materials and everything. For example, for example, to name say to you at 50,000. Each material to tega na kutokora lero to material ya cost around 40,000. Next stock and to cost 40,000. You to karagasi is another challenge. You go along with kuchumaya. Sababu customer mate masema sile kwa 50,000. Kwa hiyo dema say achire material chachire almost 50,000 na kibono na kiora nyali go ebense yake na tigoli all of a sudden konyara magudre ararense chi materials next time kwanda gwanyora shuteti bono inche ntora te vijana bike Kenya gasteyo oyo ko ende class kama tenga ngoso manji kulikwa I sympathize with him or her bona yega sio koboko ike oko menyibia kubega sio bisi igwega siende sikudi na mano yokwelika yeringia kubega sio kwenda bisi mabegete suti all the time kene kinto kanda tigere vijana byokina bano and ba utilizing ki chabo para bake ko ende class basomera mangana yako yo ubundi boko agarende bachigwe konya mambi mbaga ni bachigwe kweli araisi myaka nyore yachire yako bakongumanye gasi.
Mwaziri webyombe n'obongereri obokoboke imeyense Wycliffe Oparanya orarire ikaro yogokwanira emerobirire bosio eri goikerania geikaro kiamatuko abere kiebyombe n'obongereri kirobere gochigokorekana ime county ya Kisumu gochakira chitariki inyego ikachitariki 5 cy'umutinyi 12 umwaka oyiga igikare kigiakorekana ime omuchio Nairobi nigo gikiraniwa n'omugabana we county ya Kisumu Professor Nyang'nyong Wewe county ya Bungoma Kenneth Lusaka amona baraibande asabonsi bakwanengwa na eyemo igoro yobuya webyombe nabayigo boncherelia.
We are having it because I know the Lake Regional Economic Bloc. I was the pioneer chair for the last 5 years before I handed it to Professor Nyang'nyong. I know the dynamics of our economies in that particular place.
And that I was saying that our region is agro-based. You know, we're talking about sugarcane, about maize, talking about fish, and this is where we can bring our people together because the individual struggles can now be turned into community struggles. And when it's a community struggle, when we pull together, it's easier than when you are doing it as an individual.
One of the things that I hope we shall discuss to a very extensive level is the issue. We must be very ambitious. I think we need to be very ambitious in improving infrastructure in our region.
Muraiwense William Ruto niga igereiro morobelio o Hustler Fund asaenekire bunanigo konyire kiribu cyaba Kenya okwana asomo yegabo koigora cyabisi cya International Trade Center ITC imiyomo cyo Nairobi nigorto atebire bunaba Kenya chimiliyoni 25 noyomo nigo bakonyikire kurwa asomo robelio o Hustler Fund asogwetania chi billion 53 cyatumikire elinda kone
To expand financial inclusion, we launched the Financial Inclusion Fund. So far, disbursed 80 billion Kenya shillings to many Kenyans since November 2022. The fund has provided dignified credit to those previously excluded from formal lending. And let me say this about the Hustler Fund. The primary micro and small enterprises. In 2022, we had Kenyans, 3 million of them being micro enterprises who were blacklisted in our credit reference bureaus. And they could not undertake any business, they could not open an account, they were completely locked out of the economic space. We took the decision that we are going to change how credit is accessed in Kenya. We also took the firm position and negotiated with credit reference bureaus, and we redeemed 7 million Kenyans who were blacklisted and gave them a second chance. Today, I am very confident and happy that the 7 million Kenyans have since transformed. Today, we have 2 million Kenyans who borrow religiously from the Hustler Fund. Today we have close to 800,000 entrepreneurs, small businesses, that today borrow money on our bridge finance as part of the Hustler Fund. And they are doing this without the benefit of any collateral. The biggest problem we had in Kenya was that for you to access credit, 5,000, 10,000, 20,000, 100,000, 150,000, you either had to have a logbook of some, or you have some title to some piece of land, or you have a payslip. Today, an ordinary citizen without a payslip, without a title deed, without a logbook, can access up to 150,000 shillings on the Hustler Fund, the only collateral being their credit record, that they are decent people and they can pay. It has expanded the collateral space. Today, the collateral space includes your credit rating, which comes as a result of you being able to pay your debts.
Abarai bari bakwamiriria serikali bakoragwa no murai w'ikiama gia DCP Rigathi Gachagua nigo bagenderere ko mochia murai wense William Ruto kubwatkana ne nkwana yaye nga nigo abarai yabo bakonya gukora ebikaro byoko mochia serikali osiko bagana serikali kinga kecho boigonigo Eugene Wamalwa abekire tene ni bunere na Kalonzo mbabwatimero bilende yonsi yogokora ebikaro na William Ruto.
Nimeona huyu Kasongo jana akilia akisema ya kwamba ati kuna wanaume 5 wanakutana ati kugawa serikali. Huyu Kasongo hana habari, amechanganyikiwa. Unajua tangu alienda pale Kisumu pale Bondo kulia machozi ya uongo akisema atanalia mambo ya Raila. Kalonzo akaenda pale, Mama Aida na wote familia wakasema wanatabua Kalonzo. Huyu Kasongo amechanganyikiwa. Sasa wewe bwana Kidinji, katibu aletwa. Aletwa atea. Ateu. Wewe bwana Kidinji, listen here. Wewe una habari? Hao wanaume 5 wanakutana na mama moja. Hakuna serikali wanagawa. Wanapanga vile utaenda nyumbani. Hiyo ndio kazi iko mbele. Na hakuna mtu nagawa serikali. Tumeambiwa na watu ya Kenya kazi yetu ya kwanza ni kupeleka Kasongo nyumbani. Mambo ya serikali tutaongea baadaye. Hiyo ni propaganda ile umezoea kwa magazeti, ile unalipa ati kuna watu wanakutana kugawa serikali. Wakenya wametuambia tushikane kwa sababu umeharibu Kenya kila kitu. Watoto umeua. Wale wengine umesema wapigwe risasi muuu. Masomo ililetwa na Kibaki umeharibu. Matibabu ililetwa na Uhuru umeharibu. Biashara imekwama. Mashamba ya watu maskini umechukua. Wakenya wanatuambia tukusafirishe uende nyumbani. Kwa hivyo ukiona hiyo wanaume 5 na mama moja wakikutana, wanatafuta mtu moja ya kupeleka wewe nyumbani. Mambo ya serikali tutaongea baadaye.
Lakini nilipokuwa nakuja hapa nilipata simu nyingi sana. Watu walikuwa wananiuliza, wewe Wamalwa, tunasikia wewe na Kalonzo mnatafutwa na mtu anaitwa Kasongo. Hizo simu zimetoka Kenya yote siku ya leo. Nilipofika hapa na Kalonzo, Rigiji akatuuliza, "Hey, nasikia nyinyi wawili mnatafutwa na Kasongo." Na akatuambia mkiitwa msisahau kuniita. Rigiji, nataka nikwambie ya kwamba tukiitwa mimi na Kalonzo tutaambia Kasongo huyo kuzo wetu Rigiji ndio spokesman wetu. Kama unatafuta Wamalwa, kama unatafuta Kalonzo, wewe enda kule wa Munyoro, tafuta Rigiji uzungumze na yeye.
Mwanche murigeria kurwa soro botioro ni gongo ikera omoelio bokumurikera amangana maya kurende gende kwegokya ime igetaseni igenso kelia nenkerubo Frida na bali tobwetera na soko enekebuna chibichani lyogira gwikira sole asenchira ya bene ne Rebrena Chaka Toldi na boigo Joshua Nyauma twara obutuko borobia.